All right, for reading today, your sentence patterning chart looks just a little different than yesterday. So I want to show you what to do. You click Add Response, select your name, and then when you get on here, you will notice that your colored boxes over here to the side are empty. Now I gave you your noun today. Our noun today is a lion, and you are going to need to come up with 2 adjectives that describe your lion, an action word or a verb that describes your lion, and a prepositional phrase. So the location or where your lion is. And then at the bottom, you will type your sentence just like you did yesterday. So you can click on these boxes and you can type your word. So if I'm going to do my prepositional phrase, so the location of my lion, I might say my lion is at the zoo. And then when I click off, I can drag, we can maybe make it normal. Okay, we can drag our prepositional phrase over here. Now you saw 2 adjectives that you need and a verb. My verb might be that my lion is eating. And then I can drag it to my verb column. And then my 2 adjectives have to describe my lion. So since my lion is eating, I think one of the adjectives should be hungry. And he's also big. Lions are big. Those are 2 words that describe my lion. And I can also drag these 2 words over to my adjective column. Then at the bottom, it says type your sentence here. Remember yesterday we erased it. And then we type our sentence in order. The big hungry lion is eating at the zoo. And I would type that in. So the big hungry lion is eating at the zoo. Now, you will notice I had to add the word the at the beginning to make sense. And I also had to add in the word is because if I just say the big hungry lion eating at the zoo does not make sense. If I just read these words, big hungry lion eating at the zoo, it needs a few words to make a good complete sentence. So make sure before you finish your sentence and put your period, make sure you read that to yourself and see if it makes sense. Okay, let's see what kind of words you can come up with.